Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can transfer cryptos from crypto.com to Cash App. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. And once you're logged into your account, tap on transfer, which is right on top. And as soon as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on withdraw, and once again a drop down menu will appear. So from there you have to tap on crypto, and once you're done selecting on the interface, you'll be directed to wallet address. And right over here, what you need to do is, in case if you don't have the wallet address, then you have to tap on the plus icon located in the top right. And if you already have the wallet address right over here, then all you have to do is just tap on it, and as you tap on the plus icon, you have drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on wallet address. So after that you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, what you have to do is head back to your home screen and then open up your Cash App. And once you're logged into your Cash App account, you have to tap on the arrow icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you tap on it, you have a drop down menu. Now on this page you can either tap on any one of these following options, and after that you'll have the wallet address. So all you have to do is just tap on copy address, and right on this page you have to enter the wallet address, or you have to paste the wallet address. And once you're done, tap on continue, and once again there's a confirmation, and if you're sure about the provided information, tap on confirm withdrawal address. And after that, on this page you have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering it, tap on withdraw. Last but not the least, once again there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and you've successfully transferred cryptos to your Cash App account. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from your Coinbase to your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.